Is StarClicks a great and easy way to make money online just by clicking ads, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this StarClicks review I will give you an inside look, and I will also reveal some details that you definitely need to know and that many other reviews do not reveal. So I will now log in and show you inside. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of it, get paid to sites and paid service sites. I have now logged into StarClicks, and StarClicks is a PTC site, meaning a pay-to-click site, where the main way to earn is by clicking ads. It is a lot easier to understand how it works than many other PTC sites, so that definitely is a great aspect of it. You can easily see the ads you can click and how much you can earn. You will know depending on your membership. I will get more into the membership levels later, as that's very important to know, but for now you can see the ads that you can click, and all you have to do is to click here and a new screen will open up. These are ads or websites from advertisers that want traffic to their site, so you don't even have to do anything else than opening it. Usually on PTC sites you have to solve some kind of captcha or wait for a certain amount of seconds. Here you just click and you can see right away my account went up with 1 cent here. So when you first join, it seems very easy, and the rewards even seems fairly high compared to other PTC sites, and it only takes a few seconds to just click an ad and open it. But it also has some big downsides that you definitely need to consider, and I will get more into this later. For now, let's go into one more method you can earn on by using StarClicks. StarClicks also has a referral program, meaning that you can earn by inviting other people to join. Here it's also very different than most other PTC sites. How much you will get is dynamic, as they call it, meaning it can change from time to time. Right now, as of recording this review, you can see that if I invited somebody to sign up, I would get 8 cents. If they upgraded to the gold membership, I would get $5, and if they upgraded to the platinum membership, I would get $10. I will get more into the membership types later, but the free membership I would still get 8 cents if somebody signed up. But that's a one-time thing. It's not something I will get continuously. I will not get something from the earnings as I usually would on referral programs on most other sites. However, as you can see, if you know a lot of people you can invite, or if a lot of people you invite end up upgrading their membership, you can earn some nice extra cash here. But there definitely also is a catch, in my opinion anyways, that you need to be aware of before you then upgrade, because you also have to pay to upgrade to get some of these extra benefits. And therefore I now want to go more into the membership levels here, because that is very important to understand to figure out exactly if StarClicks will be worth it or not. In one sense, StarClicks is very simple. You just click the ads and then you earn, or you invite people and then you earn if they join. However, the membership levels make it a little bit more complicated, and you need to understand how that works before you pay to upgrade, because at first it can seem very appealing, but if you do not know the details, then it can be a little bit tricky and you can end up losing money instead. And as I also showed you, people get paid if you upgrade, so therefore many reviews will not tell you these details because they get paid for getting you to upgrade, so they are mostly interested in that and not actually in telling you all the details, because then maybe you would not end up paying to join. So there are 3 membership levels. The silver one is where you join for free. You can still earn. You can see today you would be able to earn 10 cents. That means you would get 1 cent per ad you can click, and you can click 10 per day. Then you get more opportunities to earn by clicking ads if you upgrade. You will potentially be able to earn a bit more than $7 per day with a gold membership, and almost $11 per day with a platinum membership. However, I have seen several complaints from people that have upgraded that say there are actually not that many ads available, so you will not be able to earn that. I have not been able to verify that myself, because I have decided not to upgrade for the reasons I'll explain here in this review. But just be aware of that. It does not mean that there will necessarily be this many ads. So before paying to upgrade, you need to do some careful calculations. Because even though it seems very appealing to pay, for example, $20, and then you will get a lot more earning opportunities, and as you can see, you would also get 25% more in commission when you invite people to join. So it definitely seems appealing, and I think many people just get carried away and just upgrade right away and think that it's super easy to then take your earnings out. But you need to be aware of something when you look at this price here. And I have just jumped to the conditions and terms of use of StarClicks, because here it clearly says that the membership fee is a monthly membership. And If you then again hop over here, there's nothing about this. You just say that there is a $20, but that is just for the first month. After that, you will actually have to pay $30 per month. It is a monthly fee. They do not mention that anywhere. In my opinion, it's a little bit sneaky to just put that in the terms and not make it clear here where you upgrade that this is a recurring monthly fee. And that's the same with the Platinum membership. This is also a monthly fee. So you need to take that into your considerations and calculations, because that suddenly means that you need to earn quite a lot every month to be able to just make your money back. I'm not saying it's not possible to make a profit, because it definitely is, but you need a clear strategy, and it also becomes very clear that a part of that strategy needs to be to get other people to join, and you need to get other people to continuously upgrade to earn enough. If you can do that, of course you can earn enough, but I do not quite like this where you are more or less forced to pay to upgrade, and you have to convince other people to pay to upgrade as well for you to earn. But it won't necessarily be good for them, because if I convinced 100 people to join and upgrade to the Platinum membership, for example, it would be very good for me. I would earn nicely, but the reality is also that the majority of those 100 people would probably not be able to invite enough people to ever make it worth it, and they might not even be aware that this is a monthly fee, so then it will be withdrawn several times and they would start being confused. So for these reasons, I do not think it's completely transparent how it works, and this is also one of the reasons I have chosen not to promote StarClicks, because for the majority of people, I do not think this is a great and easy way. I think there's a great risk that you can end up losing money unless you are willing to go out and really promote it and convince other people to join and pay to upgrade. And as I mentioned earlier, this is also the reason you will see so many reviews showing why you should upgrade and why it's so easy, because if you join through their link and upgrade, it's definitely a great deal for them. In many cases, it might not be a great deal for you. Before you make your final decision, you of course also need to know how you can get your earnings out, and this will also depend on your membership. In general, there are these 4 methods you can get paid through, and they have some good options, definitely. And I think it's great to see a PTC site that, for example, offers PayPal or bank transfer. That makes it very convenient. But be aware that with the free membership, you have to earn $50 to be able to take out your earnings. And the maximum you can earn by clicking ads per day would be 10 cents. So you would need a lot of days and a lot of months to be able to reach this minimum payout threshold, or to earn enough to be able to pay for an upgrade. I think this threshold is very high, and again it becomes clear that one of the main goals here is to get you to upgrade and to invite other people to upgrade so you can earn enough. And I do not quite like that. I know there are plenty of sites, not necessarily PTC sites, but also get paid to sites where you earn more and where you can get paid already when you've earned $1 or $5 and things like this. And that's the sites I prefer, because you do not even need to invite others and you do not even need to pay to earn properly there. So that's, in my opinion, a better option. But StarClicks can be for some if you have the right strategy and you do not mind promoting it like it's necessary to actually be able to earn enough here. As you can see in this review, StarClicks does have some potential. I think it is great that it is less spammy than many other PTC sites. There are not so many ads popping up everywhere, and it pays more per click, and it's not so tedious to click the ads because they just pop up quickly and you can close them down again. And they also offer some great payout methods. However, there are some things I do not like, and that is especially that it's not completely clear how you will earn good money here, because when you first join, it is very easy to get carried away by just upgrading because you just see a price. You probably think that it's a one-time fee, but if you do not stop up and read the conditions, you will not know that's a fee that will be charged every month. And if you do not have a very clear plan about how to invite other people, you will not be able to earn enough just by clicking the ads to even cover your membership. So in that sense, it's very clear that StarClicks is mostly about inviting other people and getting them to upgrade. That is how you make money here. Personally, I do not want to invite other people here and encourage them to upgrade, because I know that for many people it will not be a good use of money, because if they do not have a clear plan and if they do not have a lot of people to invite, they will end up losing money. And I do not think this is clear. And for these reasons, it's not really a site I recommend. It completely depends on your needs and on your skills and the way you prefer to make money online. But personally, I think get paid to sites that are completely transparent, that are completely free, where you do not need to pay anything to earn, I think that is a better option. But you can earn on StarClicks if you have the right strategy and if you're willing to invest in upgrading. But make sure you really know how to make back that money, because if not, you can very easily end up losing money. If you want to know more details about StarClicks, or if you want to see a list of some great alternatives that give better opportunities completely for free, in my experience, then I have more details on my website, paidfromservice.com. I will leave a link below this video, so check that out. And also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites and paid service sites.